In this video I will show you how to add the ad block to your Arc browser as quickly as possible. The ad block icon is here in this area, and as you can see it's active. If you want to add the ad block to your Arc browser, click on Arc icon in the left upper corner area. It will open this tab, find option extensions and first option add extension. It will open Chrome Web Store. All you have to do is search for Adblock. You can choose between these ad blocks. I prefer this one. And here should be installed to Chrome or something like that. Mine is already installed. It will be automatically installed to your Arc browser and the Adblock icon will appear here. And if you right click, you can manage here your ad block. For example, pause on all sites and then continue blocking ads. So this was how to add the ad block to your Arc browser. Hope you find it helpful. See you next time.